Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Today is the day of mega revision. Today we will revise all the Vyanjan and Swar that we have learned till now. So let's get started. K. The pronunciation of K is similar to that of English alphabet K as in the word kid. The pronunciation of K is similar to that of KH in the word khaki. G. The pronunciation of G is similar to that of G in the English word green. Green, green. Gh. The pronunciation of Gh is similar to that of Hindi word ghar, which means home. Ch. The pronunciation of Ch is similar to that of CH in the word cheese. Ch. The pronunciation of Ch is similar to that of CHH in the word hitchhiker. J. The pronunciation of J is similar to that of J in the word jump. Jump. Jh. The pronunciation of Jh is similar to that of JH in the Hindi word jharna. That means a waterfall. T. The pronunciation of T is similar to that of T in the word tree. Tree. Th. The pronunciation of th is similar to that of th in the word thand. It's a Hindi word that means cold. D. The pronunciation of d is similar to that of d in the word dog. Dog. Dh. The pronunciation of dh is similar to that of Hindi word dhakkan, that means lid. N. The n or ana. The pronunciation is similar to that of na in the word prana, that means life. T. The pronunciation of t is similar to that of t in the word pasta. So the t is exactly how the th of pasta is exactly how the Hindi swar th is pronounced. Th. The pronunciation of th is similar to that of thunder in English language. The pronunciation of the is similar to that of th in the word there. The pronunciation of dh is similar to that of the Hindi word dhanush, that is dh put together. Dh as in the word dhanush. N. The pronunciation of n is similar to that of n in the English word nose. Nose. P. The pronunciation of p is similar to that of p in the word pig. Pig. So that p is pronounced as p. P. The pronunciation of p is similar to that of ph in English words. So let's take the word dolphin. So we have the word ph coming in the center of dolphin. But the pronunciation, if the correct pronunciation with p, if we replace the ph with the Hindi word p, would be dolphin. However, if you pronounced p as f, phonetically speaking, it is not a very big mistake. You can still go ahead with it. B. The pronunciation of b is similar to that of b in the word bear. Bh. The pronunciation of bh is similar to that of bh in the word Bhutan. M. The pronunciation of m is similar to that of m in the word moon. Moon. Y. The pronunciation of y is similar to that of y in the word yak. Yak. R. The pronunciation of r is similar to that of r in the word rain. Rain. L. The pronunciation of l is similar to that of l in the word lion. Lion. V. The pronunciation of v is similar to that of v in the word violin. Sh. The pronunciation of sh is similar to that of sh in the word sheep. Sh, the pronunciation of sh is similar to that of shh in the word shush. So anytime you are maybe sitting in a library and somebody makes a lot of noise, you just shush them. You'll ask them to be quiet. S, the pronunciation of s is similar to that of s in the word sun. H, the pronunciation of h is similar to that of h in the word horse. Ksha, the pronunciation of ksha is similar to that of ksh in the word rickshaw. Rickshaw. Tra, the pronunciation of tra is similar to that of tra in the word extra. But here the pronunciation of t is similar to that of t in the word pasta. So it becomes extra. And that's how tra is pronounced. Gya. The pronunciation of gya is similar to that of gya in the Hindi word gyan. That is something you acquire by pursuing knowledge. Friends, now we will focus on all the swars that we have completed till date in Hindi Varnmala. First, let's take a. The pronunciation of a is similar to that of u in the English word umbrella. Umbrella. So, the pronunciation of a is similar to that of u in the word umbrella. A. The pronunciation of a is similar to that of ba in the famous rhyme ba, black sheep, have you any wool? So the ba, the sound that is made by a sheep, the double a pronunciation is exactly how the Hindi swar a is pronounced. The pronunciation of e is similar to that of I in the word inside. E. The pronunciation of e is similar to that of double e in the word eel. So the distinction is that I, as in the word of in the case of inside, is how e is pronounced, and double e, as in the case of eel, is how e is pronounced. U. The pronunciation of u is similar to that of u in the word bull. Bull. U. The pronunciation of u is similar to that of double o in the word cool. Cool. So, u is pronounced as double o in the word cool, whereas u is pronounced as the u in the word bull. Re. The pronunciation of re is similar to that of re in the word reply. A. The pronunciation of a is similar to that of e in the English word elephant. Eh. I. The pronunciation of I is similar to that of ai in the word train. Train. O. The pronunciation of o is similar to that of English letter O in the word goal. Goal. O. The pronunciation of O is similar to that of OU in the word ouch. That is when you're doing something, all of a sudden you fall, and that's an ouch moment. You are not expecting to fall, but you do. Un or that is similar to the UN in the word under. And the last word, last letter or swar, aha. The pronunciation of aha is similar to that of aha, when you have your aha moment, AHA. So friends, this is how all the swars and Vyanjans of Hindi Varnmala are pronounced. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and bahut dhanyavad.